Hey, Gary back with you. AI blogging using Grooveblog, day 4. I was taking a look at my Google Sheet. I've added some information up here at the top to keep track of what each of these fields is about. Post written by, keyword from RankIQ, or ChatGPT. Of course, we will be looking at that. We talked about that for a little bit here, starting RankIQ and the fact that I'm utilizing RankIQ for real data that has been researched, in this case by the RankIQ team, using their algorithm for competition, visits, time to rank, and the ability to rank these posts sort of to grab low-hanging fruit, which I think is the best way to do this, especially with AI. But if you go back to my spreadsheet, what I've done here is I've added the report or keyword from RankIQ, and I've added down here the topical authority information that I got from the prompt using ChatGPT. So 30 semantically relevant but unique topics on the category space. That's the whole blog itself. Topical authority, universe unriddled. But I drilled into 30 semantic relevant but unique topics under the main category of astronomy basics, because that's our first category. I think we'll have about 3 categories by the time we're finished. But then again, we may just have one category and 100 blog posts under that category. So then I took the first semantically relevant keyword and I broke that down into 10 different keywords. And I looked, and I'm like, I think I could create all 10 of these. Just let ChatGPT go crazy with these topics that it's identified as these informational search intent topics. And then inside of my spreadsheet, track it. The keyword came from RankIQ or the keyword came from the ChatGPT prompt with those topical authority prompts where I built out those questions and I then answer. And then at the end of the 100 days, and of course beyond, take a look at which one is doing better, the RankIQ keyword, the ChatGPT keyword, or a combination of both, and if I get the most power from that. Of course, again, remember we're on day 4, so we're just getting started with that. But this case study is literally me thinking out loud with you as you watch it, so you can get the benefit of the process that I'm going through, because I'm trying to identify a way to do research, and then by the end of the 100 days, you'll see this is what I've come up with. ChatGPT gave me better results than RankIQ, so what do I need RankIQ for? Especially if it's something inside of RankIQ that is not getting me the results, then why pay for the tool when I could just let AI do it for me? But we'll get there and we'll see what we get. We also need to finish the technical setup pieces with the Google Search Console. We'll go ahead. We failed verification on this one. Of course, we were supposed to wait, so we'll go ahead and we'll verify it now. And it is still failing verification, so we'll have to learn more about that and figure out why we can't verify that with our DNS, because we did inside of inside of Grooveblog, we did under domains, under manage, under universe unriddled, under DNS, we did set up this text record, but maybe there's something wrong with the way that we did that. So I'll have to do some research and or get in touch with Groove support to figure that out, but I'm not going to do the research and contact support right here in this video. I want to make this short and sweet, and the main purpose was to give you what I'm doing on day 4, and in this case, verifying site ownership. Owner verification failed. Getting this corrected is the next step as we head into day 5, but I also wanted to show you my thought process and the blog post and sort of the way that I want to track this. By the time we get to 100 days, we're going to have all these little data points, and we're going to be able to look at them and say, this makes sense. Using RankIQ was better than getting the information from ChatGPT. ChatGPT posts were better than Koala posts, or the combination of all of them together in 100 days got us to exactly where we wanted to be, or what we think we want, and we're happy about the results, or this was just a total waste of time. Of course, it was not and never will be a waste of time to explore and to put in the effort and the work required to figure out what works, what doesn't work in the world of setting up your blog. Can we use Grooveblog and rank? Do we need to go back to WordPress? Should we find some other blogging platform out there? Test them, try them. The only way to test them and try them is to test them and try them yourself. Of course, watching this case study along with me as I'm doing the work is fantastic, but you doing it yourself, there is no replacement for that. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Of course, check out the playlist for day 1, day 2, day 3. If you landed on day 4 and you're looking to catch up, it's all on the playlist. I'll talk to you later.